friends, good evening. Today we are going to see the detailed review of the Rynox Expedition Trail Bag. Last time we did the unboxing of it, so today I thought we'll do a detailed review of it. So this now I have the bag with me. So basically this bag is a universal bag, like you can fit it in any motorcycle. It is basically storm proof, like they say it is waterproof. Most probably I would say it is like a waterproof bag. The material used is vinyl, so it's got a good feel, and I'm damn sure that it is waterproof. Okay, so the bag is almost 37 liters. It holds 37 liters. We'll see about it in a bit while. And the bag has basically two compartments. The one is in the front, so this they have a pouch over here, so like you can keep your mobiles or your cards or whatever, like your wallet or whatever it is. And the other pouch is like you have it on the top, so this pouch is like the same. You can keep your documents or your writing papers or whatever. And this is a top opening bag, like it is a top opening bag, like it is a universal type, so basically all bags are top opening mostly, so it is a top opening bag. Now what we'll do is we'll see what are the accessories they are given with the bag. Like, so this bag, it comes with a shoulder strap, like you can use it as a backpack. So we have two straps over here, let's keep it aside. And then we have is the sling part, like you can use it as a sling bag. So this is the sling, you have it, I'll show you the attachments once we get going. And the other thing is like you have 4 straps, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is basically provided with the bag, so this is used to harness the bag with the bike. Okay, so it is used as a tail bag for the bike, then as a duffel bag, as a sling bag, as a shoulder bag. We'll see one about it. So now the bag is, let's see the weight of the bag. Okay, just because a lot of people buy bags but they don't take care of the weight, so you need to take care of the weight of the bag. So look, now what I've got is I have got a weighing scale, so which I use for usually to weigh my luggage before I go on any trip. So that makes sense, because like you need to actually know the weight of the luggage, so that suppose you take a pillion or you take the side saddle bags, so you will have an approximate quantity of what the weight is, and you can shift your luggage according to that. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll see the weight, check the weight of the bag. So here it is. So the dry weight, yeah, without any straps or without any fittings, we are just going to see the weight of the bag. So the weight is around, it's less than half kgs. The dry weight of the bag is half kgs. I think you can have a view of it. It's almost 0.04, so it's less than half kgs, maybe a half kg, yeah. I wanted to pack a few things, so that I want to see whether it is holding 37 liters or what is the amount of luggage that I can pack in. Like I wanted to pack clothes, then usually I carry my clothes, then I carry my gear, like my cameras and the tripod, as well as my laptop, 11-inch. I wanted to put my gear inside, like my cameras and my laptop and the tripod. So let's see how it goes about it. So this is how you open the bag, and you have this strap over here, and it's folded over here. So what you do is you remove the stuff here, you release the buckles here. Okay, the buckles are released on both sides. Okay, now we have the bag here. So let's see what I've got inside. I've got my tripod, so it fits great. My tripod fits great. So this is one tripod. I have my tripod over here. The next thing is like my laptop. Yeah, my laptop bag. This is a 11-inch laptop. So let's go about it. So my 11-inch laptop bag over here. And next we have the cameras. Great. So I was able to load all this stuff. My camera bag, the laptop, the tripod, everything into the storm bag. And still there was space left. I have packed the bag with my clothes. So now it is almost 37 liters. I have made a good packing of it. And actually, like, you cannot stuff in things. Like, you need to keep a little bit space, because the thing is, like, once you pack it completely, it doesn't become waterproof. I'll show you why. The thing is, like, you need to pack the bag a little bit lower than to its maximum, because you need to roll this stuff over here. Just see this over here. So once you release the buckles, in order for the bag to be waterproof, so it is top opening, and it has got only one grip over here to close the bag. So the rest is opened here, like you can see. Yeah, see, the rest is it's got openings for ventilation, I believe. But in order for this bag to be waterproof, there's just one clip over here to fix it. And the other thing is, like, you need to roll it backwards towards you. Yeah, towards you, so that this strap gets and fixes over here. So now once this gets rolled in, it becomes waterproof. So for this to roll in, you cannot pack it to its maximum. So this is the maximum that I can pack it, because I need this free space to get it waterproof. Okay, so once you have packed it, you need to put on the straps, the side straps. Yeah, so the side straps are in place, and now we'll check the weight of it. Let's do the weight check. So this is the max, like, anybody can pack. If you want to put it on, if you want to keep it waterproof. Come a little back. Okay, it is around. The weight is around 7 kgs. Yeah, approximately 7. 6.39. So now we are going to check the dimensions of the bag. So it's approximately 2 feet. Yeah, it's around 2 feet in length. 2 feet in length, around 24 inches. 24 inches. It's around 24 inches, and the width. Let me check the width of it. The width is, yeah, the width should be around 18 inches. The width is 18 inches. Yeah, the width is 18 inches, and the height. Let me check the height of it. It's around 1 feet. Yeah. So the length is 2 feet. The width is around 18 inches when packed, and the height is around 1 feet. Again, everything is when it's packed. Okay. So and the weight was around 6.5 kgs. Okay. Now what I have here with me is the shoulder straps, so which can be used as a backpack. So what we'll do is we'll put it and see how it fares as a shoulder bag. Okay, we got the straps over here. So one goes here. So 4 points, two shoulder straps at 4 points. So now we can use it as a shoulder bag, a backpack. Okay, so let me see how it goes in. Yeah, so I think you can have a good view of it. Yeah, now what I have with me is the shoulder strap, the sling bag. Yeah, it acts as a sling bag. So let's see how it works. So you have the strap over here, other one is over here. So now we have your what do you say, your shoulder bag. Yeah, you can, this fits great. Okay, so the holders here, like you have these strings here. Basically these also attaches, helps the bag to attach it to the bike. And the other thing, like you can you use this to keep another bag over on top and fix it. So it comes on both sides. So it comes on both sides, the straps. So you can keep another bag on top, and you can tie it onto the bag to keep it on as a double-decker bag. Okay, on top, a bag on top. Okay, and these have got some reflective stickers. It reflects light. Okay guys, I placed the bag on the tail of the bike. Now let's see how we are going to fix the tail bag. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to use this buckle over here and fix it with the holder over here. Okay, so the same thing I'll repeat on the other side, and from the back I'm going to fix this part and I'm going to loop it around and take it on the back. So now basically what we have to do is we have to take the clip, the male side. Usually in the clip this is called the male and this is the female. So we're going to take the male side over here, and you need to adjust this length, like the amount of length you need to fix it. So it depends on from bike to bike. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over here and loop it around. So later I'll adjust the length of it. Okay, so this is how we'll do it. So now we have a grip over here, going over here. Now the male is ready. The male clip is ready. Now we are going to do about the female clip. Harness it and take it around. So you need to see that, give it a little bit traction and see how it is looping. Now we are going to fix it. Okay. Now there's some lag over here. So what we'll do is we'll tighten it. That's it. So once you tighten it, yeah. Okay. Now I think you got it. Okay. Now it is in place. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing on the next side. The same thing goes here. The male side goes in the down. I'm going to loop it around. So now it is in place. So this adjustment you can just pull it and see the length how much length you need. Again the female side goes here. So loop it around. So now we've got the traction over here. Now just clip it in, and there's some lag. Again just pull it. That's it. Now what you need to do is just pull it. So this portion you can adjust, like you can just clamp it around here. It's not going to do any harm. Okay. So now the front side is ready. Okay. So make sure that the clip doesn't hit with the paint part. So you just need to adjust a little bit. So once this get adjusted, it's not going to hit the paint. Now you come to the back side, rear side of it. Again the same thing goes in here. The female clip goes here. Okay. The light is taking a big part of the rear side. So what I'll do is I'll put the male part over here. Sorry, the male part over here. Yeah. So I'm going to loop it around the handrails. I'm going to give it a little bit more space so that it has to loop it all the way down. So it has to go all the way down. So now we need to keep a little bit adjustment over here. so that I get more length. I need more length so that the male goes all the way back to get attached to the female clip. Yeah, now I've made a good length. Now see, it's tight over here. Now I'm going to just pull it around. So I'm making sure that it doesn't hit the light. That's it. Yeah, now the clip is getting attached. Now we have got one more. So I think this should be sufficient, but still to be on the safer side, I'll do on both sides. So now again the male clip is going here. Sorry, the female one. Okay. Now again I'm going to loop it around. Put the male side over here on the handrail. So I need some space. So what I'm going to doing is like I'm taking all the way. I need all the length to go all the way back. So here I am. I need more space, more length. So I'm taking more length. A few bit of adjustment should do the work. Yeah, see? Make sure that it doesn't hit the light, the tail light, the brake light. Yeah. See, now it's in place. Now the bag is securely fixed. The bag is securely fixed. So if you feel that the bag is too tight or loose, you can always adjust the clip over here. Yeah, you can just adjust it. And now the bag is in place. See? The bag is in place. On the Ninja 1000. So usually it depends, like the bag is a little bit leaning forward. You can always lose the clips, give it more space, and then pull the bag a little bit and again fix it. So there's no big deal in it. But make sure that the bag is securely fixed and you're also comfortably seated, so it does the job. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share and subscribe, and do give a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my videos.